Hey everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about essential oils. Now, a couple of days ago, I talked about cooking oils. Well, this is an entirely different type of oil. If you don't know what essential oils are, well, how to explain it simply and quickly here. Essential oils are generally, not exclusively, your scented oils. Peppermint oil, orange oil, clove oil, and they're the ones that can be used for medicinal purposes as well as just aromatic purposes. Or aromatic treatments and stuff like that use essential oils. So check with your better half and see if they know what essential oils are and if they have some, because they might surprise you what they have, and then add those to your preps. Essential oils is another aspect of prepping and health. I'm not going to take all the time here to explain exactly what essential oils are. We've talked about it on several other live streams, both here on GrayManPrepping and over on my other channel, Camp Patton Family Compound. Suffice just to say, if you are using essential oils at all, you need to have extra of them. Some essential oils have a best use by date or a shelf life. Check what you have and how much you're using of it and how often you use it so you can have plenty on hand for when you need it. All right, so this is going to be a nice short one. And with that, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Don't go out and do anything foolish or stupid. And keep on prepping in all areas of your preps. And this is why.